Hi everyone, welcome back. Now just before we start today's video, I'm just taking stock of what I've done, how the room is going to flow and work, because when Tom was out last week he picked up some cabinets for the chicken coop, and while he was in the shop he said, "Dad, there's an armchair in there that you might like." So I'm going to pop out and have a look at that a little bit later. So I'm just trying to get my head around how it would work in the scheme that I've got in mind. Now I did plan to have a two-seater here, and this was a single armchair, so I'm thinking maybe it could go over to that side there. So I'm just pondering on that idea. Okay, whilst I'm thinking about that, we'll get this area cleared off, we'll get it pointed up, and then we'll go and take a look at that armchair to see whether it's suitable. Quite pleased with this as well, that's come out rather nice. Just looks lovely and mellow, you know, soft, and like it's always been now, which is, you know, the look that I'm after. But now to get this section cleared away and pointed up. Well, it's a lovely day outside today, the sun's out, so I'm going to do my mixing outdoors today. But the modern day construction methods are much different to when these were built, so you know you can't always use old methods in newer buildings. What a beautiful sunny day. Now that armchair that Tom's seeing in the antique shop, I'm wondering now whether or not it will still be there, because there's quite a quick turnover in the unit. It's doing lots of clearances, and I'd say the good stuff goes straight away. Just a few days ago, it might be okay, but yeah, so I haven't missed something quite nice. Not that I'm ready for it yet, of course, but sometimes if you see these things and you don't grab them at the right price, they're not always there when you go to get them later on. That's what I've learnt over the years. Quality stuff goes straight away. If you've still got it, you may even hold it for me. Not a problem. Again, we just use the paintbrush to soften off hard lines and work it well into the joint. I found that this gives a really sort of soft, worn, used look. Kind of matches in with the overall floor being a little bit, rustic to say the least. And whenever I have any left over, just try and make sure I've got somewhere to use it. Quick dab down, and then we'll go and see whether I can grab myself a bargain. See you there. Okay, I think this is the one. Yes, reproduction. Not sure if it's going to be any good. It's kind of got the look, but just don't think the quality's quite there. Fixed. It's hard to tell actually. What do we think? It's all about the price really, how much work I want to do on it. You can often tell by the underside if it's old or not. No, it's not old. No, I don't think it was. Made to look old. That's why the quality just isn't there. Okay, I might as well have a look around while we're in here, see if there's anything else I can find. It's always a good mix of stuff in here. That's a little bit too ornate. Repro again. It's an interesting piece.
Oui, bah, tu peux compter le nombre de... T'as vu un peu 1, 2, 3, 4...
Voilà.
En dehors, quoi.
Well, unfortunately, I didn't make a purchase. I'm not in any great hurry to buy any furniture for here, but I'm just keen to pick up the right pieces. So if I do see them, I will purchase them, put them to one side. They are quite hard to find. I don't want something, you know, overwhelming for the room, something in proportion, nothing too big. And yeah, both those chairs could work actually. I'm still thinking about them, but for now, you know, I'm not going to purchase them. Well, the floor's come out okay. I'll just keep it damped down. And the search continues. Well, that is it for this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.